Alright, I got to the first floor. Now let's see if I can get past the second. At least finally healed.
Incoming compass data.
Ah, crud. Whoa, stun cannon. Alright, can I get past 4 dudes and all this? Ah. Gosh dang. Pain in the ass. Alright, let's go in. Get what's needed. Why do you have to be the person who doesn't have the item? Not you. Damn, which one of you has the item I need?
Hi there. Why don't you take this ammo clip?
Right.
Here, take this force field.
Ah, much better. Gun resistant.
Hey, come here. Here, take this hypo.
And more health. Let's head up to the top floor. Just right here.
I've got a new heading for you.
I don't care what you have. None of your things make sense, really. The only things that do make sense is... you oh shit, the force field. Can't handle the bullets. These dead scientists have. Oh man, they killed them all. Well, of course I knew they killed them all, but I forget which ones have the stuff I need. Alright. To the toppest of the top floors.
New mission objective.
It's a red one? Yeah, it's a red one. Wait. Oh yeah, I gotta get to the tip of the top. Wanna go for a fall? Oh, he's dead. Nice. Ah, alright, let's meet the suicider. Oh, goody. Oh, that's a dead guy. The reason he's a suicider.
Too late. I just triggered my detonation harness. In 5 seconds, you and I will both be dead. The entire tower will be vaporized.
Doesn't take 5 seconds to figure out what to do.
Roger that. Floor secured.
Dead dude. And down we go. Now we gotta activate 3 more things. Let's head down to the secret.
Thanks for the assist.
Need some extra health. Oh.
Keep your head down. There are still some strikers on the upper floors.
I know there are. And I'm gonna kick their ass.
Good work, Kanoko. You might need this.
Son of a bitch, they're attacking! Hey, where the hell are they? You and the damn gun! Help me out, idiot. Alright. Here's this. Let them have their little fun. Damn it, you telling me I gotta deal with another gun? Damn! Freaking... Ah. Oh shit. And that's why he's a suicidist. Those guys are pretty fun without the when you have infinite health. Does you like stand there and the guards are still with you and they get blown to bits too? Hi. Can I help you with some? Oh, you son of a bitch. Don't interrupt me. Alright then. Where was I? Ooh, that. Ah yes, more door activation. Oh, it's going down. We need to go up. Son of a... Oh, wait a minute, where do I go up? I thought this was... Oh, there it is. Yes, I can punch your legs and you die. Alright. I need to go all the way down here. And that should do it. Quick heal up.
Uploading new objective data.
Oh yeah, I gotta kill everyone here. That's it! Hughes Blackadder SMG. Or the Rapid Shooter. That should kill him. You and that goddamn gun. He's dead. Heal. So low. I cannot fall in that green vat of ooze, otherwise I'll die. Oh man. How did I get hurt just by going down a little bit of stairs? You missed. Twice. That's the punishment, instant death. There's a suicide here. Somewhere. You can hear him when you say... Nope, not right around here. Take the door to get out of here. Whoa, that was ugly. He said he heard me in the creepiest way ever. Run. I am not jumping over those blocks. I'm just going down this way. And this should be the last guy of the fight. Or the stage, at best. I hear someone. No fair. I can't punch and throw like that. I can do that.
Oh, no, you don't. You're not getting away that easily.
She's right behind us. Should I take her out?
No. Have the rest of the men meet us at the airport.
Yay.